Media Studies at Northampton International Academy is an OCR National qualification. This is not a GCSE, but very similar to a BTEC which you may have heard of. The course is called OCR National Level 2 Certificate in iMedia. The makeup of the course and the way in which it is assessed is different to a GCSE, and there are different grades, but, as you can see, they are equivalent to all other GCSEs. The first question you may have is, what is media? As a subject, media is concerned with understanding and making digital communications. This means anything which passes information or provides entertainment and exists in the digital world. This could be films, TV programs, video games, websites, animation, mobile phone applications or digital magazines, to name just a few. We will focus on understanding how they are created, why they are created, and how they are used by audiences. We will learn techniques for researching and planning media productions. We will learn how to read and respond to a media brief. We will learn how to create media products using professional software and techniques to create media assets, and then how to combine those assets into a complete media product. We will focus on specifics, such as how colour or font choice can affect how a user interacts with a media text, and the meanings they are able to take from it. We will analyse examples of professional media productions, examining how they are created and distributed to see what makes them successful. By the end of this course, you will be able to use Photoshop, create digital graphics, and create simple animations. OCR National iMedia consists of 4 units, each of which is worth 25% of the final grade. 3 of the units are coursework, tasks which are set by the exam board, completed by students in class and marked by the teacher. These 3 units make up 75% of the final grade and are assessed throughout years 10 and 11. The 4th unit is an examination. There is one 75-minute paper which is sat at the end of year 11. The exam paper will test students' understanding of pre-production techniques. Questions will explore students' understanding of research and planning and require some simple planning to be completed based on the brief. The exam includes both short and longer answer questions and some creative tasks such as drawing boards or sketching a poster. The 3 coursework units are selected from a range of options, and whilst selection of the units can be adjusted to the makeup of each individual teaching group, the following examples will give you an idea of how each unit is assessed. The marks for each unit are broken down into research, planning, making and reviewing, an assessment process which will be familiar to students from their digital media lessons in year 8 and 9. The first unit, a compulsory one, in which students will design the cover of a new fiction novel. They will create the artwork, select typefaces and colour schemes and collate them into a professional quality book wrap. Our second unit focuses on 2D characters, investigating their uses, designs and types. We will learn how to design characters looking at audience, purpose and use. We will look at shape, colour, realism, facial expressions and overall design. Students will then create a new character for use in a children's advertisement. Our third unit may look at computer games, where we will research the history and development of both computing hardware and the games themselves. We will look at the different styles and genres of games, from the first-person shooters to puzzle games and everything in between. Once students have a good understanding of games beyond their own playing experiences, we will design a new game, identifying the primary game loop, goals and success criteria and target audience. Students greatly enjoy letting their imaginations run wild with this unit. iMedia is an interesting and creative course focusing on areas of the media which students will find engaging. Learners will develop skills and understanding that they will be able to apply to their own projects beyond the classroom, from web design to character creation to games design. It leads well onto post-16 study in Level 3 BTEC Creative Media Production and opens doors into a whole world of creative media industries which make up the vast bulk of our information, entertainment and communications in the modern digital world. If you are self-motivated, creative and are able to work well to deadlines, then iMedia may be the right course for you.